In SQL, there is a left outer join. So with a left outer join, it is a joining of tables based on a condition. And with a left outer join, there is a table, the first table or the table said to be on the left, where the conditions are evaluated for whatever condition is passed in with a table, a second table, or a table that's said to be on the right. With the left outer join, all of the records of the table on the left are returned. So even if there is a null condition associated with the condition, all of the records in the left table will still be returned. And that's useful because it gives the user or the programmer the opportunity to see where the condition is true and where we have null conditions. So if we take a look here at our left outer join, our table on the left is going to be class, and we are going to compare class with classes, and we're going to return where the student counts are equal, but we're also going to see where the student count columns have nulls. So we can see here we're getting back here where the student counts are equal, but notice here we're getting all of the records from the left table or the class table. We're going to see where the equality in this case returns null, which this can be useful because it's showing where the equality was true and where we had nulls.